All right, so I've been doing some of the work on the alternator. You can see here, this is it's an internal regulator. And what I had to do was convert over from the old system. So the old system had an external regulator. Here's the plug I cut off. I basically ran, a new harness. I'm gonna put some vinyl tape around the harness when I'm all done and I'm sure it works. Basically, the heavy red wire goes to the back of the alternator. The blue wire goes to the first terminal, and then the white wire goes to the far terminal. So the harness I have has red, brown, and red, but that's how basically I had to wire it up. So now that I'm using an internal regulator, alternator, I had to modify the plug. I had to actually bypass the voltage regulator right here. So the trick with that is, they make a kit. Right now I'm just making these. I made some pigtails. Here's the wiring, how it goes. You can see I got orange or red to white, and then the brown to the blue. So just a couple little pigtails for now. I might buy the kit, make it a little neater, but we're gonna just do this to get the car running. So I want to give you a heads up on how you have to convert over from an external regulator to an internal regulator. Cut.